Her favorite pastime is her passion for fashion. Past tense because the dream to become a designer is behind her. Some solely console the lonely when upset with them. To mend a broken heart, she'll slowly start to sketch again. The Michael Kors bag was filled with pencils and paper. She drew in the nail salon as I thought I'll eventually date her. Will she associate her artwork with the pain I bring? My fear of commitment is why we remain a fling. Low self-esteem, high maintenance. She'll try my patience while waiting for me to give it the world. My lies and false word has been delivered to girls. Still they live for the silver and pearls. Though the gold in American apparel is what she deserves, but she's embarrassed and careful. She finds inner peace when she occupies her mind. Mama taught her about her quarter life, marry a man who could provide.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kay and this is kae'swae. If you're new here, make sure you guys subscribe right now. Make sure you guys hit the notification button with the bell so you don't miss out on any of my content, and make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, which will come up somewhere on the screen. Let's get started. So today we've got another hair review. We're just coming at you guys with another Amazon hair review. Let's find out where it's from. So this wig is from, it's a headband wig. It is a curly headband wig, as you can tell. And this wig is from Cassore store. I don't know how to say it. This is a 20-inch wig. It is a curly wig. Headband wig, curly human hair wig, none lace front wigs for black women, deep wave, machine made wigs, natural color, 150 density, 20-inch. So that's the name of this wig. I paid $103 for it. It is still $103. It's technically $102.99, but whatever. It is available for Amazon Prime if you guys need it in 2 days. It came in 2 days for me. I've had this wig since October, and it's what, March, and I love this wig. It gives me no problems at all. It's really easy to just throw on and go. I wet it and I put mousse in it sometimes if I feel like it, and then it's just good to go. If you like it a little frizzy, I would say just like wet it. If you want it a little more defined, I would put mousse in it. It is 150 density, although now it is a little bit on the thinner side. You can't really tell from me wearing it right now, but I know when I take it out the packaging, I'm kind of like, this will look a little skimp, you know. So there is that. Didn't have a weird smell. It smells just fine. It is a headband wig, so there is no lace to it, which we know. It does come with an actual headband, but obviously I put my own on, which is slightly coming off right now. Let me tighten it. Yeah, so it comes with a headband, but I covered up the headband with this brown, like it was just a scarf. It's cute or whatever. What else can I tell you? Obviously, yes, it's glueless. It is big head friendly. It has a good amount of space. Again, for this wig, I cannot put both hands behind my wig. I can only put maybe a few fingers in there, like 3 fingers, 3, yeah, like 3 fingers in there. This hair is super duper soft, like super duper soft. I love. I am here for the texture of the wig and the luster of the wig, because it gives the shine, but it's not too shiny. I also don't need to put a lot of product in it to make it look good. It doesn't frizz up crazy without product. It does frizz because like it's curly hair, but it's not crazy, you know? What else can I tell you guys? I think that's it. And like this wig, you can definitely, especially because it's curly, you can put it in a ponytail. I always am putting it in a ponytail, putting it in a bun when I wear it, and it looks really good. And I really like that this wig looks so natural, even though, like, you know, my hair texture is not this texture. Come on, like, we know that. But it looks really natural even when I put it up in a ponytail, like, because everything is so seamless, it looks really good. And because it's curly, if it's like a little bulky in the head part, it doesn't look crazy. Like, you know, when you have straight hair and it's bulky, it kind of looks like, you know, it's a wig, because it's like, straight hair, straight. It's not going to give you, it doesn't have that volume, you know? Sorry if I keep looking down this whole video. I've been trying to look at the wig and see if there's anything I need to tell you guys. But no, yeah, you just do your little baby hairs, your little edges. Even when you're like your natural hair, like my hair is straightened in the front from another half wig that I wore that was a straight wig. But you don't have to do that. You put some edge control on your edges and you are good to go. So, yeah. Anyway, guys, that is all for this wig. I will catch you guys in my next video. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys hit the notification button with the bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. And make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. Yeah, it's getting warm outside, y'all. So I'm going to look for more content. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.
You got me looking